Alright guys, so we got a lot of stuff done. A lot of the wiring done. Still need to do a few more things, but it looks pretty clean now. Headlights are wired up. Here, the headlights on. Super bright LEDs. And then I got the tail lights working, plus the brake lights. Oh, this is from my homemade wire harness. You can see I got some modern blade fuses. So after running my car, I found out that the idle jets are too fat, so I'm running rich, and I need to find this vacuum leak I got. I already had a vacuum leak in between the carb and the intake manifold. I went ahead and used this gasket maker or gasket dressing that's fuel resistant, but we're gonna go ahead and take the carb off and intake manifold off and try to find that intake leak, and then we're gonna rejet it and see how that goes. Not only are we gonna fix the intake leak, we're also gonna wrap the exhaust. I got this DEI exhaust wrap kit. I don't have an engine seal because of the turbo header. Hopefully this is gonna help with lowering the temps. Alright guys, so there it is. The engine is out. We're gonna wrap the exhaust, fix the intake leak. Alright guys, so I did a little test wrap. It came out pretty good. Now I just gotta do the rest of the pipes. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took the intake end castings off on both sides, and I think I found my intake leak. It's actually right here. Well, this boot is ripped, so I think that's the problem right there. We're gonna go ahead and replace these. Alright guys, so I got the whole car done. I didn't get any of it because my camera died, but we just got home from cruising and I had another intake leak. This boot keeps slipping off, even how tight it is. So I'm just gonna buy some vibrant silicone boots and put those there. You can see that the header is all wrapped. And yeah, that's it. Check out the video of taking the bug out. Didn't get much, but I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Ese güey no sabías.